In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-step verification for Google Drive on a computer. Two-factor authentication, also called two-step verification, adds an extra layer of security to your Google account, which directly protects your files and folders in Google Drive. Even if someone figures out your password, they won't be able to get in without a second verification step, and that makes a big difference. Start on your computer by opening your preferred web browser and going to myaccountgoogle.com. If you aren't already signed in, sign in with your Google account. Take a moment to make sure you're on Google's official page before entering any credentials. Once you're in your account settings, look at the menu on the left and click Security and Sign In. This is where Google organizes the options that control how you access your account. Scroll down to the section labeled How You Sign Into Google. Here, you'll see the two-step verification option. Click it to open the setup page. If you see that it's currently off, click Turn On or Get Started. Google may ask you to verify it's really you by re-entering your account password. Type your password and click Next to continue. Now you'll choose your verification method. You have three main choices. Google Prompt sends a simple yes or no approval to a phone signed into your account. This is quick and convenient if you have your phone nearby. The Authenticator app generates rotating, time-based codes on your device without needing a mobile signal, which is great for traveling or places with poor reception. Text message or voice call delivers a code to your phone number. It's straightforward and familiar, though it does depend on having service. Follow the on-screen steps for the method you choose. For a Google Prompt, confirm the notification on your phone. For an Authenticator app, you'll typically scan a QR code and enter the code shown in the app. For a text or voice call, enter the code you received to confirm. The page will guide you through each confirmation, so you know you're set up correctly. Once two-step verification shows as on, your Google Drive account is protected with two-factor authentication. From now on, after entering your password, you'll complete the second step to finish signing in. Keep your chosen device accessible, and remember you can return to the same page anytime to review or adjust your verification method if your needs change. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.